and even global sports. We'll try to connect those dots so you see not just what happened, but, why it actually matters.
Okay, let's get right into it then. First up, a pretty big constitutional debate brewing in India. There's this suggestion from RSS leader Hosavale, and Union Minister Jitendra Singh has backed it about taking socialist and secular out of the Constitution's preamble. And for anyone listening, the RSS, Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, is a major Hindu nationalist organization, so this is significant.
Yeah, and what's really interesting, I think, is the